Oh, there's coming a truck, so let's see how this will affect us. So what can I tell you? You can see some trees and some houses, and as you can see, in May we already have green grass. No leaves on the trees yet, but anyway, we're now here at the beach and it's quite windy. I'm turning around so we can see here if the wind is catching at some point. Alright, I'm walking now, filming at the same time, walking on gravel and pebbles. Let's try the pebbles to see how the noise is when I talk. You can hear that. I think it's a very small noise. But this is a nice place if you ever come to Finland. Anyway, I run out of ideas what to talk about. So I'll go all the way out there to the end. And it should be much more windy out there. Alright, I came as far as I can go without getting my feet wet. So it's not that windy here after all. So what I'll do, I'll play around with the manual focus ring, which is right in the front next to the lens. So what I always have to watch out if I do that, as you can see, sometimes my hand gets in there, so you have to be careful. But there's another problem. Right behind that manual focus ring, around about half a centimeter, are the microphones already. So if I'm too careful with the lens, I might touch the microphone as I do right now. If you're trying to use that manual focus ring and get all the noise at the same time, this is something you may consider if this is making a little bit of problem. So I suggest you go out and try it in the shop. Alright, but that's wrapping up this test for now, for the microphones. Hope you like it and hope it's of some use for you. Alright, take care.